Today we are going to learn how to automate reports with Stonefield Query. We can automate reports by using the Schedule Reports option within Stonefield Query. You can get to this option by selecting a particular report and then choosing the Tools Schedule Report option, or selecting a report, right-clicking on it, and then choosing Schedule Report. Once the Schedule Report wizard opens, you'll see that you have several different steps to go through. On step 1, you actually need to give the schedule a name. You can either go by what is given here or choose your own name. And then secondly, you need to choose the run this report option. You can either do daily, weekly, or monthly reports. Once you have selected a particular daily, weekly, or monthly, you actually need to give a time as well. Of course, this is automatically set up for 3 a.m., but you can choose your own time for these reports to run. The majority of customers I have found actually run these in the evening time, but this is completely up to you. With this, we'll go ahead and select daily, and then on step 2 you can see that you can run this report every day, on the weekdays only, or every first, second, third day, etc. And then also you need to give a start date on step 2 as well. If we go back over to step 1, you'll see that we can go ahead and choose weekly, and then once we go over to step 2, this gives you different options. So you can run this every 1, 2, or 3 weeks, etc. And then also choose within those weeks what days of the week that you want the report to run on. And then lastly, we actually have monthly as well. So in here, if we choose monthly on step 1, go back over to step 2, you can choose to run this on the first day of the month, second day of the month, third day of the month, etc. You also have the option to choose first, second, third, fourth, or last of either Sunday or any day of the week, I should say, and then also the months that you want these reports to run on. Once we have step 1 and step 2 done, on step 3 you have your output options. In here, this is just the same as any other report that you're normally running. So, or creating. You could choose to output to printer, file, or email, and all the output options apply here as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose file so we can go on to step 4. In here, you actually have this runs under your specific Windows account, so you have to plug in your username and password. So let me go ahead and plug this in. And then I can click finish. Once that is finished, it's now scheduled as a scheduled task within Windows Task Scheduler. So it's going to run the report as you have set up for the scheduled settings. Feel free to do this for all the reports that you have or all the ones that you need. Keep in mind though that any reports that you have set up with Ask at Runtime features will not be able to be used as a scheduled report. You will get a warning for that if you do have a Ask at Runtime feature in your particular report if you go to schedule it. Thank you.